Today, President Biden toured the devastation from Hurricane Helene in North and South Carolina. Officials now say more than 175 people have been found dead across 6 states. Christian Benavides is reporting on his visit tonight.
President Biden arrived in Greenville, South Carolina Wednesday afternoon for an aerial tour of the damage Hurricane Helene caused. The desperate search for survivors continues across the western Carolinas. The National Guard is delivering supplies and rescuing people high above North Carolina's remote Blue Ridge Mountains.
There's still hundreds of people that we're getting reports are stranded.
President Biden is deploying 1,000 active duty troops to support the effort. Searchers with cadaver dogs trudged through knee-deep muck in the town of Swannanoa. At least 57 people were killed in Asheville. And in Bessemer, people are doing what they can to piece their lives back together.
No water, barely got food, everything expiring in the fridge, so it's down to canned goods and food trucks.
Floodwaters wiped out these Interstate 26 bridges in Erwin, Tennessee. State officials are investigating a plastics factory in the town after employees say their bosses kept them from leaving as floodwaters rushed in. 11 people were swept away. Several people are still unaccounted for across the area.
This is a survivor-centric effort that we are making. We're hopeful, we are committed, and we're very concerned.
Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas says the cleanup and recovery across the region will take years and multi-billions of dollars. Christian Benavides, CBS News.